Hang on. Yeah, Cambridge. 70144 to Cambridge from Brighton. The Thameslink service. I'm going to start filming now because you look after my bag. You look after my bag. I was filming. Let's space on it. Oh, that's how the train is going. Nanny. Thameslink service to Cambridge is now departing. Hey. Let me drink that. Hold on. Hold that. Cheers. 70144 to Cambridge. And there's the Horsham one. No, Thameslink service to Horsham is 70140, and I will keep calling this. Thameslink service bound for Bedford. No, yeah, it's bound to Peterborough. Total 700, 700, 700, 152. There's a platform. It's platform 1. No, 9:52 Southern service to Littlehampton was about 4 minutes early. We're about the triple lot of 377s. Oh, and as each jet is just coming. Yeah, it's a 12 car 377. Right, leading is 377 408 with the 12 car formation. The 12 car formation. Right, in the middle is going to be 377 135. And I'll get in rear one at departure. Okay, so yeah, I'll get a rear one. I'll get a rear one at departure. Hold on. 3772s. It is 377 412. That's in the rear. That's Littlehampton service. But now the 9:52 Southern service to Littlehampton. Bye 377 408, 377 135, and 377 412. That is the Littlehampton service. It was about on time. Yeah, 377 412 is in the rear. Not too bad. There's Coin Point. We hate the Heath. There's the, hang on. Oi! Now pass by the Thameslink service from Cricklewell Depot to Three Bridges Maintenance Depot.
This is a security message.
To Three Bridges Maintenance Depot.
Speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We have sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
Fuck. Like, should be all too bad. Huh? Not service. Do look at the number, you're fine. Let's be getting that GWR. So it's terminated by Western Railway service from Reading. Or a turbo network there. 165. Look at real-time trains because look at real-time trains. And I will keep recording. I will keep recording. I will keep recording. Oh, is this our train? Huh? I will keep recording. This is our train. The Southern Service to Eastbourne. Well, the little 387s. We could have get unit 302. We've been at that. We got to go. Yeah, leading C2C 387 302. We've been in a unit about a couple of months ago. Huh? Yeah. Ah. It's clean. It's in clean. And the President 201's in the rear. 387 201. That one. This was coach 5 door one. You're gonna go sit over there? So much more one, 2 beds for 3 bridges.
Welcome aboard Southern Service to Eastbourne. The next station is Haywards Heath.
Yes. Now it's party 12, 10, 12. Yeah. You go, yes, go to wait here. East Southern Service to Eastbourne. President 201. President 302. President 201. President 302. Front 387 201. And then President 123 211. President 123 211 to London Victoria. And now arriving turn 14, Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. One of those 700s was about a minute late. We're at Wivelsfield station on the Brighton main line. We only have one of the operators today. It's Southern, Thameslink and Gatwick Express. These are 3 operators on the Southern Railway. So we got 700, 134 from Brighton to Bedford. Hello, wait for driver, thank you kindly. Thank you. I've got a wait for driver, thank you kindly. We'll get the 10, level 26 out of here. We'll get the 5th tray out. Now leave 10:14, 10 to Bedford was about 3 minutes late. Hold on, 7 platform 2. For Gatwick Express.
Platform 2.
Gatwick Express 387. So 134 Bedford from Brighton. I will keep recording, and there's a Gatwick Express service from London Victoria to Brighton. Oh, triple 387s. Oh, triple 387s. And I will keep recording. There's the 387, it's just 387 207 at the front, and extra northern 387 121. Southern first class is just on the rear side of the coach. Now, the next train to pass by is a pair of Gatwick Express 387s going from Brighton to London Victoria. Leading is 387 215 and 387 220 trailing.
Thameslink service to Brighton. Calling at Burgess Hill, Sussex, Preston Park and Brighton is 12 coaches.
Now, arriving 10:26 service from Bedford to Brighton. It was about a minute early.
I'll tell you how James does it. James does it like this. Come here. Come here. No, give me a phone.
Hey, when the train stops.
Well, when this train's gone, I'll show you how James does it.
Yeah. Well, by 706. Oh. Close your mind. Close your mind. 10:27 to Brighton, sometime. Right, goodbye. 34, 29 subscribers. What's the time? I'll keep recording. So we're 155! There's a pride. Right, from Brighton to Cambridge. Next train to pass by. These are Thameslink service from Cambridge to Brighton. Cheers. 701, 702. Harrowwood. Next trying to pass by is a pair of Gatwick Express Class 387s. Class 387s. No, it's a pair of 377s. I say Gatwick Express. So we've got a pair of Southern 377s heading from Littlehampton to London Victoria. Littlehampton to London Victoria. Leading 377475. And with 377443. Now, Roman 1041, Southern service of London Victoria was back on time. Southern service were by
engineering work is taking place this weekend. On Sunday the 16th of November, buses will replace trains between Holgate,
Eastbourne, Hastings and Orr. Leading 387217. And it's busy.
For more details on how to plan the journey, please see station notes.
The corner point afterwards will be Hayward's Heath. On the way is 387227. They should join the 387207. I'll get one at departure. Temple 177 to London Victoria from Eastbourne was about a minute late. 387217 and 387227. Oh, and that's the number 307. Yeah, 387227. Yeah, 307. Yeah, 387227. That's not 387. Now, rather than 1044, Southern Service 2 for London Victoria 2, or I will keep recording the Southern Service, Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford, the 1044 service.
Due to short platforms,
Too bad.
passengers for Plumpton should
It's
board
blue.
front 7 coaches. Passengers for Pevensey and West Ham and Orr should board
Leading Prison 120! That makes big transfers from Great Northern. I don't want to get them on number Friday. I've got to look at the time trains. I don't want to do it. All the way it's 37225. Where's the 120? 37120. 37120. And now departing the 1042 Southern Service to Orr, 38120, which has been transferred from Great Northern. And on the way is 387225. That's calling point. We Plumpton. Well, I will keep recording as the Thameslink service leaving. There is 70126, I believe. Yeah, 70126 returning. And now departing the Thameslink 742 Thameslink service to Bedford from Brighton. We're about a minute late. First one out? Huh? First one out? Yeah, there it goes. Great 120. That's still that first one. For Great Northern. Hold on. No, it's Gatwick Espresso is bound for Brighton. Keep back. Feeding 37203. Cheers. On the way it is 37219. Alright, let's see if the train comes. Hold on. Okay, next train to pass by. It's a Gatwick Espresso. It's bound for London Victoria. My phone's getting wet. Okay, leading is X-Grant Northern 387121 returning. On the way, it's 387207. Now arriving 1056 Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. One of the 700s. There's the Cambridge one. I'll look at real-time trains. Yeah, if I just the weather signals, can approach about 5 minutes. So 10131. I will keep recording and it's a 10-6 service from Brighton to Cambridge. Cambridge? From Brighton. Yeah, from Brighton to Cambridge. We'll get the third one out. Save my phone. Now departing 1056 goes from Bedford to Brighton. And I will keep calling there's 10 goes from Brighton to Cambridge. Okay, yeah, so 10131. Back to home, back to the port towards Brighton. And I will keep recording there's 10 goes from Brighton to Cambridge. Yeah, and there's Brighton to Cambridge. Yeah, and there's, and I will keep recording, and as it's passed by, it's 10 goes from Brighton to Cambridge. What about 700 107? And the freight train's been about 3 minutes, then we'll head down to 700 107 bound for Cambridge. Now passed by, it's a freight train from the home that aggregates the Wembley reception for about a minute early. What about one of my 66s? I'll look at Southern service. Went by 66 588. Cheers. And I will keep recording, and there's a Southern service passing through. 17. Right. So leading we got 377s. 377 102. Yeah, it's going to Littlehampton. Was about a minute late, early. And that on the middle is 377 162. On the rear is 377 447. And so it's bound for Littlehampton. There's the bed Cambridge to Brighton, the pass by September 6 service. Hands your lace, please. 700 139. Oh, wonderful photo! Wonderful photo, driver, thank you kindly. Yeah, I think it's a Southern service. It's just past it. We see Southern approachings. What?
So,
Yeah. Food's ready about 11:40. We're about 11:50 for food. We need to get back about to. Is it 14:15 out? Not there. You get 14:15 out of Three Bridges.
not all of these, no?
Not all of these, no. So that's the brooches. See, guys. We see, guys, my Southern brooches. Huh?
Go, go.
Nothing. Nothing. Go here. Oh, Southern one, and one is another one. What? Okay, pass by. Got two Southern services. One is approaching. First one is the Littlehampton. It's going to be 377 160. This is the 204 at the front. 377 155 to the rear. Yeah, 204 and 438 on the rear. Okay, now arriving the 1111 Southern service from Eastbourne to London Victoria. To London Victoria. To London Victoria. Yeah, yes, it's going to London Victoria. Rob by in one pair of class 387s. Okay, on the front we've got the Gatwick Express. Yeah, Gatwick Express 387s. Okay. So leading, it's 387 206. And the other way is approaching now. 1112 is approaching now. The driver should put London Victoria on the destination board. On the rear is X Great Northern 387 129. The Great Northern logo has been removed at Selhurst. And it has Southern First Class. No, London Victoria, but to London Victoria from Eastbourne, rest on time. 372 thanks to Great Northern, 37129. Now that's Southern First Class on that unit. Logan to your left! There you go. 37129. It's London Victoria from 37206. Hello. Where's the train coming? Yeah, it's approaching now. See the place Southern approaches.
For the 11:12 Southern service to Eastbourne via Lewes. Calling at Cooksbridge, Lewes, Polegate, Hampden Park and Eastbourne. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Cooksbridge should board the front 6 coaches.
Now arriving the 1112 Southern service to Eastbourne for London Victoria. Prepare for it, Sevens. Yeah.
Engineering work is taking place this weekend. On Sunday the 16th of November, buses will replace trains.
Leading is 37305.
Trains which usually run between Eastern and Ashton International run between Hastings and Ashton Jackson. For more details on the
CTC logo, what? What? Hello, 37222 is on the rear. 37222 to the rear. Now, Harting, excuse me, the 1112 Southern service to Eastbourne with 387 305 at the front. On the rear is 222. On the rear is 222. Hello. There's 10148 from Brighton to Bedford, 1114 service. Was that on time? Now the 1114 service to Bedford, that's on time. Yeah.
Stop here.
Oh.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 2.
It's tempting to just there. Oh yeah, there's a red 387. Approaching. What the fuck? That's X Great Northern. Gatwick Express goes to Brighton, leading 30226, and X Great Northern 30128. Whistle like Gatwick Airport. Got a train pass through from Brighton to London Victoria. Oh, it's a red train. We've got a Gatwick Express. Yes, from Brighton to London to... Yeah? Yes, red one.
No.
Yes, with 387s. Pair of red 387s. The GX 387s. 387s. The Gatwick Express service. Back to London Victoria. Back to London Victoria. Right, leader, we got 387 219 and 387 203. 387 203 and 219 back to London Victoria. Bit dirty in that unit, big. Set. Alright. Right. Got a 10-6 service from Brighton to Cambridge. We'll see approaches now. Now arriving, this is our train, the 1126. Oh really, yeah, 10-6 service to Brighton. Yeah, this is our train, 1126. 10-6 service to Brighton. It's all 700. It's from Bedford to Brighton. $700 129. Oh, good Lord, so you're all going to what? We'll see you guys on there still. Oh, no! No! Go there, I'll go there. Right, we'll see you guys. I'm at the next station. It's Burgess Hill. See you in a minute.
This station is Wivelsfield.
And it's Brighton to Cambridge approaches. There it is, 100 back from Cambridge from Brighton. 700 102. I was still returned. Oh shit! Fuck. 377 318. Head to Red Hill. Now put recording. Right, keep recording, yeah. That's Red Hill. Or about on time. We've got 700 127. And the Brighton. Yeah, Bedford Brighton. No, my charger's not good very well. Oh, charger's not good very well. It's not plugged in properly. Fuck's sake, it's not plugged in properly. It's not. Oh. We need fast charging from. Get fast charging one. The Brighton, they're starting. Bedford, 508. 700 127. 4x6 to Brighton. 700 105 106. Now, 3 minutes early. What is going down? The 10 to Brighton, BT 12:06 service to Victoria, bus on time. Prism 4 and 2. Well, so so much 2 minute late. 2 minute late. Something Victoria. Hurry, TT! So, hurry, TT! Don't be woman on the back, don't be woman on the middle. Don't be woman on the back, I was at the front. Well, look, move time trying, change it 4 away from the back.
Late.
15 minute late. 73 141 is on the front. We're at 5:07, bound for London, Victoria. We got 37224 and 37214, bound for London, Victoria from Brighton. Both coming in.
Service to Cambridge via London Bridge.
Ah! What?
London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras
Both
International,
coming in.
Finsbury Park, Stevenage,
One's Brighton, one's Cambridge.
Bulldog, National
70135, bound for Brighton from Bedford. And the Cambridge one is 70112. Oh, charge book, there's only one. You're gonna get one for me. You got your charge book in your bag? Get one for me. You charge it, okay. Seven hundred 101, 10 minutes terminating telephone service from Bedford. Okay, I changed my nights. Oh my god! The wheelchair. The wheelchairs. Need 2440 to Brighton, but that's the time.
Once again, any passengers on platform number 1 currently awaiting Peterborough service via airfield. Please be advised this train is subject to a platform alteration and will now be supplied for manager on platform number 2. As platform number 2, if you require the 1243, please say
Why did you hold it up and actually film the train, not the train?
Now the Star train is 12:44. Southern service to Portsmouth, Portsmouth, Southsea and Balcombe Regis.
and Horsham, where the train divides.
We cancel between Portsmouth and Southsea, Balcombe, Portsmouth Harbour.
Fishbourne, Bosham, Nutbourne, Southbourne, Emsworth, Warblington, Havant, Hilsea, Bratton and Portsmouth and Southsea should travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. Passengers for Christ's Hospital, Billingshurst,
Cancel between
Fulham,
Portsmouth, Southsea and Harbour
Farnham
due to
and
faulty
Botany
signalling
Regis
system.
should travel in the rear 4 coaches of the train. This train may be disrupted after Havant,
377-115.
Between Havant and Portsmouth Harbour.
Excuse me.
Please.
Wait.
And there you have it. This is my 29 subscriber special. Hope you enjoy the video. See you guys in December, Christmas. See you later.
The southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. The next station is Horsham. This is coach number 4 of 8.
Let me go now. Fine. What's this? Fine. Good morning. Good morning. Right. Four support South North Regis. Oh my God.
Train will divide. The front 4 coaches, so that's coach number 1 to 4, will continue on to Portsmouth Harbour, calling at Barnum, Chichester, Fishbourne, Bosham, Nutbourne, Southbourne, Emsworth, Warblington, Havant, Hilsea, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea, and Portsmouth Harbour. At Horsham, the rear part of the train, so that's coach numbers 5 to 8, will continue on to Bognor Regis, calling at Christ Hospital, Billingshurst, Pulborough, Amberley, Arundel, Ford, Barnum and Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train for your journey. At Horsham, you can change for services to Dorking and Epsom.
Page one. See us announce it starts. No, see you in a minute.
We are now approaching Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1 to 4 will continue
to Portsmouth.
Portsmouth Harbour.
Coaches 5 to 8.
Coaches 5 to
continue
8
to Bognor
will
Regis.
continue to
Please-
Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is coach number 3 of 8.